What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about future Galaxy phones from Samsung and what potentially might not be included in the box. Now, this seems to be following Apple's lead because if you didn't know, Apple supposedly starting this year, the iPhone 12 will not come with a charger inside the box. And it looks like this story coming from a South Korean website is saying Samsung smartphones will not sell with a charger as well. And this is gonna start next year. So pretty interesting news from the South Korea and Samsung that this might start happening in 2021. One thing I can understand why they'd wanna do this is a couple of things, a few things actually. It reduces cost in multiple ways. So one, you don't have to include a charger, which makes the box lighter, the packaging smaller. Those are three things and three costs that'll, even if it saves pennies, they sell millions of phones. This is gonna save tens of millions of dollars. And then beyond that, people that want the charger are going to buy a charger. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't really care that much at this point. I have so many freaking chargers with my phones that have gotten throughout the years, and a lot of my fast chargers that are 25 watt or 45 watt. So I'm absolutely fine. Now I can see someone coming over from Apple over to Samsung that might want, a Samsung USB-C charger. I understand that's gonna make the cost go up as well. But how do you guys feel? What do you think? Next up, again, about future Galaxy phones from Samsung and the processor that's going to be inside. So half the world gets the Snapdragon version of the phone, like this year we're getting the 865 or 865 Plus, and then the other half of the world gets the Exynos processor. It looks like possibly starting as early as next year, everyone in the world that gets a Samsung Galaxy phone, that includes the US, Korea, wherever you are, would get an Exynos processor. Now, this comes from your favorite Chun is back, and he says, I can confirm that Samsung won't use Snapdragon 865 again for their S21, which of course they're not gonna, so he should have probably put 875. Instead, I heard that Samsung could use Exynos 1000 for all S21 variants, US, China included. And then another tweet from Maori QHD says, Galaxy S21, Samsung debating internally if to use the Snapdragon 865 again, that now will be cheaper. Some of the points being used, cheaper S21s for the public, same price, more profit. Tiny price cut, still more profit. Exynos 1000 looks better. Snapdragon 875 is overkill. And one of the big rumors / news coming out about the Snapdragon 875 is it's gonna be like mega expensive. And it's true, a lot of people don't need all that power. So if Samsung can come out back with their processor and make it compete wholeheartedly with the Snapdragon series, then this is a win for everybody. Cheaper prices, hopefully. We'll see what happens. If you didn't know, I put out a video today announcing that I got my official invite to Samsung Unpacked 2020, which is August 5th, and it will be virtual this year. Well, this tweet goes along with that. This is, again, your favorite Chun is back, saying the Galaxy Tab S7 and Watch 3 won't be released at Unpacked 2020. In fact, Samsung already has a dedicated date for both, and it's only 2 weeks later. This, again, not that surprising because of the fact that they've done this in the past. They've released the Tab, I believe, earlier in the past for sure, and the Watch as well. So again, not too surprising. They'll still probably talk about it at Unpacked, but again, they'll give these their own little small press conference, or maybe even just a release straight without any press conference. Last story is all about Jimmy is Promo, who has hooked us up, the world and myself, with photos and stuff of the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Check out his video. He goes through a bunch of things there, have it be with the S Pen and just the overall look of the phone. So check out his video. It is linked down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Question out to you guys is, how does that make you feel? I know a lot of people that watch my channel are Samsung fans or just love Samsung products. If they don't include that charger, would you not buy the phone? Do you not care? Let me know. We'll see you down the road.